Hey guys, this is Pallavi and you are watching Spoken English Adda. In this video, I am going to tell you some advanced English words to describe people's personality. And these words will definitely help you to describe someone's personality. So number one is a person who is bad-tempered is grumpy. Grumpy. For an example, my boss is really grumpy. He always keeps scolding me. My boss is really grumpy. He always keeps scolding me. Number two is a person who is mean and unpleasant is called nasty. Nasty. For an example, you can say, I don't really know any nasty person around me. I don't really know any nasty person around me. Someone who is very messy is untidy. Untidy. For an example, she is very messy. She always forgets to put things properly. She is very messy. She always forgets to put things properly. Next one is really very interesting, guys. Do you know what would you call a person who is too fond of his or her look? If you don't know, let me tell you, we will call him when. A person who is too fond of his or her look is when. For an example, my friend is really vain. She spends too much time looking in mirror. My friend is really vain. She spends too much time looking in mirror.
यहाँ पर आपको इस ई बुक में मिलेंगे 350 प्लस एडवांस्ड इंग्लिश स्ट्रक्चर्स। गाइस, अगर आप हमारी ई बुक की हेल्प से अपनी इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग स्किल्स को बेहतरीन बनाना चाहते हैं तो आप डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए इस ई बुक के लिंक पर क्लिक करके इसे परचेज कर सकते हैं।
Another one, someone who talks a lot is chatty. Maria is a very chatty person. She remains always on the phone. Maria is a very chatty person. She always remains on the phone. Last one, someone who pretends to be very important is called pretentious. Guys, if there is someone pretentious around you, you can tell him or her, I don't like your pretentious attitude. I don't like your pretentious attitude. Guys, if you really like this video, please do like this video, share this video and subscribe our channel. And press the bell icon to get notifications of new videos. And yes, do not forget to tell us your doubts and suggestions in the comments. And thank you for watching this video. Keep watching, keep practicing and keep learning. We will meet in the next video. Bye-bye.